Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I am back with more of blacksmithing, or of this game. Right? I don't think it's popular. I can't make it popular, that's for sure. But, yeah, okay, good, it saves your progress. One second, guys. Oh, wait, dig it. 1 second. Sorry about that, guys. I just had to pause. Sorry about all the Discord noises. Let's see. Didn't know that they were on my friends list, but amethyst and wood. Okay, let's see. I need to buy the bazookaite. Buy, give. Alright, goodbye, old man. How much do I have? Okay, I just need exactly one more, so I'm just gonna go over to the forest. So I think this is coming to an end, and then I have to go to that one guy to get my stuff back. 1 second, I'm gonna turn my volume up. Well, how's everybody doing? Wait, I need more than just one wood. Hopefully good. Wait a minute, I want to test something out. Oh, wait a minute. So all it has to do is come in with contact. Okay. Thought you had to aim it and then, yeah. Okay, we're just gonna get this last one. So we're actually one more. So after this, it should not be too long until I can buy one last bazookaite. Okay, that should be enough wood for all the swords I need to make. Okay, the deep caves. Let's see if I can find bazookaite this time. I really tried to go through that wall. Let's turn the sound down. Okay, let's see. Any bazookaite anywhere? Any bazookaite? No. Okay, I cannot get that one. This one I should be able to get. Wait a minute. There we go. Sorry if this video's kind of short, because I think it will be. Because okay, that's probably enough amethyst, but I will be needing more gold. What the? That's not. Bazookaite. 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 I now have 4 bazookai. Wait a minute, why am I still mining? I don't need to do this no more. Out of here, yeah. 1 enchantite, 4 bazookai, and 1 wood. I'm gonna go slay that guy that stole my teddy bear. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna strike him down. Let's see. Okay, village. Prepare to die, teddy bear man. Get me over here. 1 enchantite, 4 bazookai, and 1 wood. I have 6 enchantite, 4 bazookai, and 7 wood. Yeah, easy money. Hello, hi. What the? Give this to me. Oh wait. Oh yeah, I gotta go over here. I am dumb. Screw your order. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. What the? Am I fighting Technoblad? Is that Technoblad? Yes, let's go. I'm gonna kill him. Meet me at my lair. We will discuss this, or we will discuss them. Why did Technoblad just blast off? Give me my sword. Isn't it better to go over there? Get out of my way, flower. My gosh. Man. I really want to know what's over here. Oh, okay. It's a wall. It's an invisible wall. Let's get over here. I'm gonna go fight Discount Technoblade. Or Walmart Technoblade. Get me in here. You hear me? Ooh, okay. Okay. Let's see. E/F block. And then ER and F. Okay, I got it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, guess I gotta be on here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. ERF. Let's do this, big man. Oh, I can stop like that. Oh, wait, he's like a charge, kinda. Wait a minute, is he not gonna attack? Ah, that'd be too hard. It seems that we both have done a ground pound. Ah! Oh, that would be like one of those anime moves. Running away like a coward, I see. Die by my blade. Technoblad finna die by a blade. Now where do you think you're going, mister? How did that only do 50? Oh no, I'm in his head. That's not fair. Wait a minute. No, this gives me such a big advantage. Oh, dang it. Oh, wait, that actually does. Cool. Die! Okay, let's see. This is so intense. This is so hard to dodge. I'm not lying. Dang it, bro. Hey, that's not fair. That's not fair. Hey. How is this fair? Okay, finally. Uh-oh. Hey, man! Go away! No like. You think that's gonna help you? Oh, my. R. You just have to sit down real quick. Give me a second. Oh. Okay, that's not fair. That's not fair. Come on, man. Let me go. Stop becoming an actual boss fight. I swear. How dare you do that? I'm running over there. Yeah. Okay. Oh no. Run. Okay. Hey, that's not fair. That's not fair. How dare you do that to me? How literal dare you? Oh. Baba booey. I'm actually not too bad at this. Die, mother freaker! Okay, why? You have too much health. That's not fair. Oh. Okay. Oh. Okay. Spam R. Okay, no. That hit him. Hey, let me go. That's not nice. Not nice. Okay, I figured out what I gotta do now. So ground slam seems to be my strongest move. Wait, if I block, kind of worked. But it's like really ranged. So make sure you distance yourself. My gosh. Wait a minute. More distance. Wait. Oh, dang it. I thought my... Oh, wait, you can't hit him when he's walking? If you were walking down the street and I shoved a sword through your chest, I feel like it'd be... Yeah, and you kept on walking, I feel like you just kind of get sliced in half right there, because that'd be your fault. Hey, yo. Hey, no, that's not nice, I'm gonna kill you with a slash. Give me my teddy, I want my teddy, give me my teddy, give me my teddy, give me teddy, haha. Oh, apparently he just disappeared. My teddy bear? It's here. Oh my gosh. Teddy bear. teddy bear. Well, my teddy bear is back. There's the first Iron Blade request. Well, there doesn't seem like there's any tasks for me to do. No doors are opened anymore. Well, if y'all guys just want to see me kind of try to get at least on the leaderboard, like 1,061 coins or something, tell me that and I will gladly do so. Well, with that said, I'm happy that you came to watch. If you've watched this far, thank you, thank you, thank you. And with that said, have a good day. Bye-bye.